Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will demonstrate the step-by-step process of asexual propagation for jackfruit trees using the air layering technique. First, we need to select a healthy, strong jackfruit branch. Optimal results require selecting a healthy, established branch. Make 2 circular cuts around the branch, spaced an inch apart using a clean knife. Now, take an aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel to the cut part of the plant. Now, take a plastic cup. Make a hole in the bottom of the cup. Cut one side of the plastic cup. Place it on the branch and secure it with electrical tape. Fill the glass completely with cocoa peat. Cocoa peat has a high water holding capacity. After 45 days, I'm going to open it. We must be careful when removing the plastic cup so that the roots do not break. Once the roots are well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. After separating the air layering from the mother plant, you can plant them directly in the ground.